Hello, good morning, afternoon, evening, depending on when you watch this video. Uh, Now I want to explain about computer and hardware. But before we start, let me introduce myself. I'm Muhammad Kemal Abdelaziz. I'm from BSI University, majoring in Information System. This is my statement for an English course. Okay, we see on the first slide here. On the first slide, there is a little, let's say, computer and hardware. Of course, that's what we're going to discuss today. Okay, go to the next slide. What is a computer? A computer is a tool used to process data according to pre-programmed commands. The word computer was originally used to describe people whose job is to carry out arithmetic calculation with or without tools. But the meaning of this word was later transferred to the machine itself. Initially, information processing was almost exclusively related to arithmetic problems, but where computers are used to many tasks unrelated to mathematics. Arisa explained what a computer is in broad terms because the main purpose of a computer is to input and calculate data. Okay, in the next slide, the birth of computing. Here is a picture of two people with a first generation computer, and this was the beginning of the creation of computer. In the 1940s, the first electronic digital computer was developed. These early machines were massive and required a great deal of power, but they laid the foundation for modern computing. So the first time computers were discovered was in 1940. Then they were developed again, and in 1950 and 1960, computers became accessible as technology advanced. Okay. Next slide. The personal computer revolution. In the 1970s and 1980s, the personal computer revolutionized computing. Companies like Apple and IBM introduced a portable and user-friendly computer for home and office use. So, from 1970 to 1980, companies such as Apple and IBM made user-friendly computers that could be used at home or in the office. And in 1990s, these computers were mostly used for web programming, search engine, and e-commerce. Okay, the next slide. The future of computing. In the 21st centuries, computing has evolved rapidly with the development of smartphones, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and quantum computing. As we look to the future, computing is expected to continue its explosive growth. And in the nowadays, it's clear how the benefit of computer continue to develop, making all our work easier. It's all because of technological development in computer. Okay, next slide. Let's get into hardware discussion. What is hardware? Hardware, or what is better known as hardware, is all type of component on a computer whose physical part can be seen with the naked eye or can be felt directly. Some of them include RAM, CPU, mouse, keyboard, scanner, monitor, printer, and many more. So there are many types of hardware, including input device, output device, process device. Okay, the first device is input device. One type of hardware that's useful for entering information data in the form of video, text, image, audio, and other on a computer. There are some examples of such hardware. Yeah, there are example input device including mouse, keyboard, scanner, and many more. Okay, next slide. Output device. This is the type of hardware that is used for displaying information and printing the result of user the data or information covered in hardware that will cut broken hardware process. Below is the explanation, and in monitor is component delivery components, printer, and LCD projector. And that was the explanation of output device and a sample. Okay, for the next slide. Process device. This type of hardware can be useful in processing data as well as carrying out existing process on a computer. So there is the CPU, VGA, and plus is RAM. This device process is something important and the computer because without this hardware, the computer will not run it. Last time, device for storage. A storage device, or better known as storage device, is a type of hardware to function to store computer data. For example, as shown below, an hard disk, flash disk, and optical disk. And that was the device for storing. An important component for storing all data on computer. That was my explanation. Thank you for watching till the end. I hope what is computer can be useful for everyone. See you in the next video. Bye.